Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Asana time tracking with Toggl integration step by step clearly. To configure Asana time tracking with Toggl integration, first, ensure you have an Asana account and a Toggl account. Log into your Asana account and navigate to the project where you want to enable time tracking. Click on the project name to open its overview. In the project overview, locate and click on the Custom Fields option. From the Custom Fields menu, choose Add Custom Field. Name your new field time tracking and set it to the number type for tracking hours. Save the custom field and return to your project. Next, open a new browser tab and log in to your Toggl account. In Toggl, go to the Integrations section from the sidebar menu. Scroll down to find the Asana integration option and click on it. In the Asana integration window, click on the Connect button. Authorize the connection by logging into your Asana account if prompted. Once connected, Toggl will sync with your Asana tasks. Return to your Asana project and open a task you want to track time for. Look for the custom field time tracking that you created earlier. With the task open, start the Toggl timer directly from the integration button in the task pane. Alternatively, you can start time tracking from the Toggl web app or desktop app, ensuring you select the correct Asana task. When you finish your work, stop the timer in Toggl. Toggl will automatically log the time spent on that specific Asana task. Review the time entries in your Toggl dashboard to maintain an overview of your project's time tracking. Repeat these steps as needed for all tasks within your Asana project. This integration will help streamline your time tracking process and enhance productivity across your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.